All right, so give it up for Nonye. Sorry, everybody, give it up for Nonye. All right, thanks a lot, Nonye, for sending in your name for today's Igbo name of the day. All right, so Nonye, that's short for Chinonye. All right, so you guys ready to translate that name together? Chinonye. All right, cool. So Chi means like your destiny or your personal relationship with God, like that essence. Basically the destiny that God wants for your life, right? Yeah, so it's kind of like your personal relationship with God, right? Or just kind of like the personification of it more so. And you could just basically say God's spirit, right? The spirit that drives the progress in your life, right? So that's Chi. And Nonye means to be or to stay, like Inno specifically means like to be present with, or to be in the same place with, or to be close, or to be here, right? And so Nonye means more like to be present, to be there, to, you know what I'm saying, things like that. And so you put those two together and you get Chinonye. God was there for me. God was present. God stayed with me. God comforted me, like in that type of way. So Chinonye. So Nonye or Chinonye's names give them the power to be loyal friends to those around them. They love to make sure that they always keep their word, and they're active listeners. Tag and share this video with all the Chinonyes that you know. Thanks. Ndipo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinilo nono wakwe zone?
Yeah.
All right, so Nonye or Chinonye, what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Do you think that's a cool name? Do you think the concept behind a lot of these Igbo names is something that's very special? If you would like an Igbo name yourself, let me know in the comment section down below. I have my Instagram linked there, and basically you can send me a DM or you can let me know in the comment section, and I can give you an Igbo name based off of the traits that you have that you tell me about, right? If you are expecting a child even, I can help you come up with a baby name for that child. You know what I'm saying? So anything that you would like to manifest or speak into that child's life, let me know. Any gifts, any traits, any future that you like, any type of future you would like that child to have, let me know and I can give you the closest Igbo name to that meaning that you have in your head. In our culture, we believe that anytime someone says that name, they're invoking God's spirit or the power or the essence of that name and the concept behind it into that child's life or into your life if that's your name, right? So imagine anytime someone calls you, they're calling the power of that name, or they're calling the qualities of that name. We have names for that in English too, like grace and hope and faith and things like that, right? So in our culture, in Igbo culture, we believe that the concepts, because a lot of our names are like, they're kind of like phrases, and they're ideas and they're spiritual names that talk about our connection to God. So whenever someone speaks your name, you're kind of manifesting the power and the essence and the grace and the gifts that God gives you. You get what I'm saying? So think of it as like a built-in way for whenever someone just does something simple, like call your name, they're blessing you every single time. So if you think that's cool, let me know. I can give you an Igbo name, and that'll be featured on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway series. If you are Igbo and you would like your Igbo name features, kind of like Nonye, let me know too, and I can feature your name on this series, which is called the Igbo Name of the Day. All right, so keep watching to the end of this video. My YouTube channel is probably going to suggest some more videos for you to watch. There might be photography videos because I do photography, or it might be another Igbo Name of the Day or Igbo Name of the Day giveaway video. If you liked watching this video, please hit that like button. If you didn't like watching this video, just tap it really lightly instead for me, all right? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that bell button so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. It could be the video that I make for you next, right? All your likes and your comments and your subscriptions go a long way recommending this YouTube channel to other people just like you so that they see it and they might be interested in it as well too. So I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel that highlights Igbo Nigerian names. Every like and comment goes a really long way. Take care. I will see you in the next video.